Hi, Albert. Thank you for joining me today. Please tell us more about yourself and a bit about Contrinex and your role at Contrinex.
All right. Thank you, Prasant, for having the call. My name is Albert van Wyk. I'm Vice President for Sales at Contrinex. Contrinex is a Swiss family-owned company. We are a market leader in sensors. We specialize in inductive sensors and especially in smart inductive sensors. And if you look at the market and the way the trend is going, everything is going to more intelligence and more compact products, and that's exactly what we are targeting.
That's great. So what was the prime reason you were looking for some kind of CRM like Salesforce? What were the pain points that you were facing?
All right, so actually, when we started off with Salesforce, that was in 2012. Initially, we wanted to have a tool to control sales, the salespeople. So it was actually in the beginning, it was a real control tool. We moved away from that quite quickly. And when we realized what the potential is in Salesforce, to not use it as a control tool, but to actually help it as a sales tool. And once we started doing that, we actually were managing our sales teams differently as well. Since 2019, we've been working with UBSdigiCloud as an integration partner. And they really, with their experience in the past, really helped us to transform our sales process even more. So the system is helping the salesperson in its daily task instead of the salesperson having to go to Salesforce to actually log a call or see it as a part of his job. It's more like I need Salesforce to direct me in what my next move is and what my next step is going to be in the sales process. So using Salesforce as a tool instead of as a control mechanism is the key difference for us.
That is very interesting because normally many people start in the same way. They are looking for some kind of tool to control sales, and eventually they realize that there is a whole lot more around that can be built if you're choosing the right tool. So if you could help me understand a couple of outcomes that you feel have happened because you are using Salesforce, some kind of ease in use, some kind of changes in the kind of sales process that you could deploy at Contrinex, which were possible because of Salesforce.
Oh, I don't think we have enough time to explain to you everything that we've done over the last 4 years with DigiCloud together. But I think some key facts is one big topic was we connected SAP and Salesforce. So we streamlined the process between Salesforce, our sales team, and our inside team. So our inside team is working completely on SAP, our external team completely on Salesforce. And by connecting those two by API integration, really streamlined the information flow between the two systems, which actually meant that the salespeople had all the information they needed to do their job in the field, and vice versa, all our job that was done in the inside, they could see everything that was coming from Salesforce from the outside team. On top of that, our pricing model is quite complex as we work globally on the same systems. We managed to integrate Salesforce and SAP completely, so we don't have two different modules that's controlling our pricing. And if a salesperson creates a quotation in Salesforce, it is directly based on the pricing models and the approval processes that we have implemented in SAP. So it's very quick and efficient for our sales team to create a quotation, get the price to the customer, but then also once it approves that the quote is approved by management, he can create the order directly back into SAP without having to go to 2 or 3 different steps. So it's all integrated in with each other. Then on top of that, we have stock requests typically that people will phone the inside office. We've integrated that in our CRM tool, so our sales team can check our stock levels globally directly through the sales tool that they use. And also our distributors are on the portal to actually get a higher level of self-management that we don't have to interact so much directly with them for day-to-day tasks that can be automated. And then we also worked a lot on actually sales automation. of helping the salesperson through the journey of sending reminders and setting up processes that helps him to convert a quotation to an actual order.
Great. So basically, there is a single source of truth across the organization now, whether it's inside team or it is sales team.
Exactly.
That's amazing. So would you recommend UBSdigiCloud as an implementation partner for Salesforce to others?
Absolutely. I've done it already a couple of times, and the experience that we've made with DigiCloud is because of the experience. The team has a huge amount of experience in both Salesforce and integration to other systems. That actually helped us to implement best practices that it would have been difficult for us to do if it was only us. It's also very easy to work with them. On my level, I have a lot of ideas. I don't have enough time to actually document everything in place. So a lot of times it's just a call with a team. I explain to them what I want to achieve, and they come up with best practices on Salesforce and how we can implement it easily and effectively. And we with the rate that we're implementing things is just so much more efficient than I've ever experienced before. I've worked with multiple integration companies in Europe in the past. So I was driving the Salesforce at Contrinex from day one. So I did the initial integration. I did multiple projects in between that was hugely expensive with little outcome. And since we're working with DigiCloud, our Salesforce and how we use it just transformed completely. So I cannot recommend them highly enough.
That's great. Thank you so much, Albert, for your time.
Thank you very much. Prasant, you're always welcome.
Lean, innovative, visual, engaging. Uneecops, building live enterprises.